patient is performing flexion. The muscles used are the anterior fibers of the deltoid, the upper fibers of the pectoralis major, the biceps brachii, and the coracobrachialis, which is deep to the biceps brachii. The range of motion is 0 to 100 degrees. The patient is performing extension. The muscles used are the posterior fibers of the deltoid, the latissimus dorsi, the teres major, the long head of the triceps brachii, and anteriorly, the lower fibers of the pectoralis major. The range of motion is 0 to 60 degrees. Here the patient is performing abduction. The muscles used are the deltoid and the supraspinatus. Range of motion is 0 to 95 degrees. Here the patient is performing adduction. The muscles used are the latissimus dorsi, the teres major, the infraspinatus, the teres minor, the triceps brachii, and the coracobrachialis, which is deep to the biceps brachii. Anteriorly, the pectoralis major is used. The range of motion is 0 to 75 degrees. Here the patient is performing horizontal abduction. The muscles used are the posterior fibers of the deltoid, and the range of motion is 0 to 45 degrees. Here the patient is performing horizontal adduction. The muscles used are the anterior fibers of the deltoid and the pectoralis major, the upper fibers. The range of motion is 0 to 135 degrees. Here the patient is performing external rotation. The muscles used are the posterior fibers of the deltoid, the infraspinatus, and the teres minor. Range of motion is 0 to 90 degrees. The patient is performing internal rotation. The muscles used are the latissimus dorsi and the teres major. Anteriorly, the anterior fibers of the deltoid and the pectoralis major are used. The subscapularis is also used, which is on the anterior surface of the scapula. Range of motion is 0 to 90 degrees.